future will be getting more and more digitally interconnected, and at DEKRA we work to make the world a safer place, on the road, at work and at home. We are an international group that has more than 45,000 employees, established in more than 50 countries, including Portugal. In 2016 we initiated CRM, contact center activity which, along with the operational processes, grew at a significant rate. The amount of information generated by this growth forced us to look for an intuitive and easy-to-use solution that would manage all the data in an integrated way. Salesforce had just been implemented as the group CRM, so it was imperative that we also use this solution to have a single, transversal vision of the whole business. We soon realized that transforming DEKRA Portugal's business into a more collaborative and digital process would not be an easy task, so we turned to Rolling Space. With help from Rolling Space we've implemented an efficient management of all customer segments, from groups, IPO centers, dealerships and workshops, as well as vehicles. We've created mechanisms for importing and exporting databases as well as data anonymization, and we have created a whole campaign process for the sales area, after sales and inspection. Another crucial implementation was that of call center management, with the ability to manage leads, calls through TalkDesk, and call scripts managed through Zintree, both fully integrated with Salesforce. The entire Rolling Space team, from the project manager to the IT developers, was always up to the complexity of the processes and demands of DEKRA Portugal. It's been 3 years now and we continue to evolve the tool, always with the support of Rolling Space. Today we have 80% of automated tasks, quality data and live reports, and that has impacted on the team's increased efficiency and above all, customer satisfaction. Rolling Space, in addition to having a well-defined business structure in project management, development and implementation processes, has a team with expertise in several IT development areas, including those related to the development and implementation of Salesforce CRM. In the challenges, in the barriers overcome, in our demands, in communication, in the whole kickoff process, development and implementation, the Rolling Space team has always accompanied us. Rolling Space is much more than an IT partner.